Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 20 is percent growth. It says in 2021, there were 621 German Shepherd dogs in Dogville. This is an 8% increase from the number of German Shepherd dogs in 2015. How many German Shepherd dogs were there in 2015? So here's my question. I want to know the number of German Shepherd dogs in 2015. Since that's my question and that's what I'm finding, that's going to be my variable x. So x is going to equal the German Shepherd dogs in 2015. Now, I know there's an 8% increase, and as a decimal, that's 0.08. So I'm going to start in 2015 with the number of German Shepherd dogs, x, and I'm going to add to that 8% of that number, which would be 0.08x, and that will equal 621, or the number of German Shepherd dogs in 2021. So I have the number of dogs in 2015 plus 8% of that number, and that will equal my new number 621 in the year 2021. So remember, there's a hidden 1 in the front of this. 1x plus 0.08x would be 1.08x, and that would be equal to 621. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 1.08 in order to make my coefficient equal to 1. 1.08 divided by 1.08 is 1x, or as some people say, it cancels out. And 621 divided by 1.08 would give me 575 German Shepherd dogs in 2015.